Hello guys, today we are going to convert our website into a mobile application, APK file. So for this, first of all, we should need to create our website. So I already create my website with this following file. Here I have some files named index.html, story.css and script.js. and and now we are going to convert our this website into a mobile application, APK file. But before converting our website into our APK file, we should need to remember one thing, that we can only convert our websites, we can convert only those websites into an APK file which were only created with simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you include any third party library with your website like React.js, AngularJS, or any backend library like Flask, Laravel, Django, Python, etc., then you could not able to convert your website into a mobile application. So it is compulsory. The website that you want to convert into an APK file, it has only three. It support only three type of languages that in simple form: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. So here I have a simple website which is named as a stopwatch. Here you can I add some basic functionalities like start the time, pause time, or reset the time. There are some basic fundamental functionalities in my website. So now we are going to convert our this website into an APK file. So it could able to install our mobile phones, and we can use this same app into our mobile phones. So as usual, if you wanna want the source code of this website, you can get the link of the source code in my description. So let's continue video and start converting our website into an APK file. So first of all, you should need to come on this website, which name is webintoapp.com. So I will give this website link in description. You can simply click and came on this website. After coming on this website, first of all, we should need to log in our website when create account. It is compulsory. So first of all, go to author and click on register and register your free account. Here you can convert your website into APK file free of cost. But I am not going to register because I already created my account. So I am going to log in here and log in my website. So if you don't create your account here, then you can first of all create your account, then start login. And I am login here. After login, so I will login there. Okay. So after login, you can see this type of interface of your website. So here is web into app. This is my dashboard. So after coming on this dashboard, you should need to go on this maker option. Here you can check maker. Simply click here, and after going to this, you can see this type of interface. And this is the our main interface where we will convert our website into an APK file. So first of all, go there HTML files, and here they will say select your zip file. So first of all, I am going to my this folder where I will created all the files for my project, and here is my files name in index.html, script and style.css. So I first of all I should need to convert this website into an zip file. So for this, I am selecting all the files and right click, then click on send to, then go to compressed zip folder. Simply click here, and you can check this our zip file is created successfully. And so after creating this zip file, I am going back to this website. Then here you should need to select your zip file. I am clicking here select zip file. Then I will click here is my desktop, and in desktop I have the folder name with YT, and here I am selecting this zip file that we created a minute before, which name is index.zip. So simply I will click on this file, and you can check index.zip our file is selected here. After this, here you should need to select mobile. Then after this, either here you should need to type your app name. Our app name is stopwatch. You can give any app name that you should want. So I'm giving here stopwatch, and here you should need to type your company name or brand name. I am typing here web coach. So after typing app name and company, you can check package name is already created, com.webcoach.stopwatch. So it should be created automatically. You should don't need to touch this. Just leave it as it is. Simply type your app name and give your brand name. Here you should need to select only one variant and minor variant 0, major variant 1 and minor variant 0. After this, simply click on next button. After going to next button, here you should need to test anything. Simply click here icon and set icon. Click on set icon. Here you should need to select your web app icon. So I am going to select my app icon. I am going desktop. Here I have a folder named Biobrico, webcoach, webcoach dp, and I am selecting this icon. So I selected this icon as an icon of my application. So this is enough. And after this, one thing you should remember that we are using free version. Like you can check free Android app. It will be convert our website only for Android files. If you wanna want your website like app that will should be work in Apple Store, then you should need to buy this paid variant. This paid variant is only for $89. If you paid on $89, then you should able to convert your app into both ways, for Android and for iPhone also. But at this moment we are going with free variant. So in this free variant it will convert only Android apps. So I will select free Android app and then after this click on this make app and simply click here, and it will automatically start making your app. It will take some time, so be patient and let give him its time that he will take to make our apps. So after creating our project, I will meet and you can check it will created our app within some minute. And after creating app, it will display some tag of this ad category. So our website is simply so I will select tool, because it is a stopwatch is basically a tool. So I will select tool and describe your app. I am just typing here this is a stopwatch app, like I am this into my description and click OK. So you can check here our app is created successfully with the name of stopwatch variant 1.0. So our website app is created successfully. After our app is created, created, you should need to simply click on this download button. You can check. Simply click on this download button and click on download free. Download all file zip. If when you have checked this, it will be start downloading my APK file. So I am clicking here start download. Uh, so you can check my app is downloaded successfully. So now if I am going to my this folder in downloads I have the file name with compressed folder, and here we have a file with the name of stopwatch 1.0.zip. This is our zip file that is I downloaded from. Simply click on this and click on extract, and you can check here the folder is created with the name of stopwatch 1.0. If I open this, here are some files, license, readme, and here is the folder name with Android. Simply go on Android and here you can check this name by this app release.apk. So basically this is our app file that is created and we should need only this file, not any other file. So you can also use a jks file and aap file. If you should use these files, jks file, when you want to update your file into when you want to upload your app onto Google Play Store, then you should need this jks file. But at a moment we are not uploading our website on Play Store, so we should need only this file with the name of app release.apk file. So now I am going to send this file into my mobile, and after sending the mobile I will install this app into my mobile and let's see it will be worked or not. And before sending it into my mobile, I will rename this file by the name of stopwatch.apk. Enter. So this is my file. Now I will send this file into my mobile app and then I will install this file and tell you what will happen. Okay guys, so you can check this game. My app is no I will, this app is here stopwatch.apk that we will create a minute ago. So I am going to select this app. Simply click here stopwatch.apk, and you can check here is the option coming by the name of install. I am clicking here install, and you can check our app is installing. So let's give it time. You can check it. These are saying unsafe app log. This is only because we are download this app manually, not from Google Play Store. That's why it displaying this message. But don't worry, we know our app is 100% secure. There is no any error, no anything. So I am simply click here install anyway. This problem when you upload this app in Play Store, then it will not display this type of message. And you can check app installed. Here will be display option is done, and I'm clicking here done. And after I'm going on to my desktop, you can check here is the app stopwatch is created. So I am taking this into new page, and here my app is created successfully. So if I simply click on this app, and you can check our app is starting. Uh, so loading, and you can check this our app is start successfully. If I close this interface, you can check in recent app, and here is my app. And if we click on start, and you can check all functionalities are working proper. Pause working, start working, restart working, like pause reset, and you can check all functionalities are working successfully. And this is how we will created our app with the name of Starwatch. And if I am going to uninstall, I am simply click on uninstall, and you can check our app is uninstalled successfully. So it's mean our app is working fine now. So this is the method. By this you can you can convert your website into a mobile application that is working perfect and properly. So okay, bye, Allah Hafiz.